and welcome back to my channel. Today, me and my sister have a fancy surprise. For that we need cups, scissors, marker, food coloring, and a paper towel. Using the paper towels, we have created the scene. Amaya, can you tell us what we created? A sun, a rainbow, a tree, a river, and grass. We are going to mix some colors for our scene. Set up the scene over colored water and let the magic begin. Do you know how water goes up? It's called capillary action. It's important for moving water around. For example, water moves up to plant through roots. Look, Amaya, look how beautiful it is. Can you tell us what they are? A sun, a rainbow, a tree, a grass, and river, and a flower. I hope you